Hi, I am Ezra, and I just wanted to start out with a apology because I have not been putting anything out lately, like at all. So I'm sorry about that. But so today we actually have something different. So at my camp that I go to, we made this marble run thingy. So it's made completely by myself. It's pretty cool. So it uses like popsicle sticks, straws, like here, and once I got home, I modified it a lot, and it's actually 2 marble runs. I'll show you what I mean by that. But so what it does is so you start it here, and then you drop the marble. It rolls down. Sometimes it doesn't work, but you drop the marble, it rolls down. It hits off right there, and then it bounces into the hole. And then it goes down here, and down here, and down here, into the cup, and then it rolls down here into the marble station thingy. See this thing? Hold on. So let me just rotate it a little bit here. Okay, so, and this is the other marble run. So it starts here, it goes down, down. Let's do another cup with straws in it to make like a track. And then it goes down here into a catcher. Okay, so I'm going to run the marble run for you. I'm going to start with the front here, so don't be mad at me if it does not work first try, but so we're gonna put it on. So it was a little hard to see there, so I'm gonna put my camera down here and try to scooch it like that. Sorry guys, need to try to make, so the one of the hardest parts of this marble run was like probably the beginning ramp. It's hard to make, just kind of hard to make, but here we go. So it went through just like that. So rotating it to the back again, we are going to take this marble. We're going to put it on here, right there. Here it is. So that's how that side works. So yeah, this is made out of utensil box. So yeah, that about wraps it up for this presentation of my marble run. I just use straws, it's just made out of random materials, or kind of like recycled materials from camp and stuff. So yeah, that wraps it up for this presentation. So remember, I am Ezra, and may the marble be with you.